back to my kitchen. Today, I'm making something extra special. Bharwan baingan, a classic Pakistani dish, perfect for your next meal. Let's start with the star of our dish, these cute little baingans eggplants. Make sure they're fresh and firm. We're going to give these baingans a nice cross-cut, just like this. This is where all the yummy filling will go. Now roast gram flour for masala preparation. Keep it on low flame until it starts smelling good. Pour it in a bowl. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, roasted cumin seeds. Add oil in it to combine it properly. Just like this. Now fill all the masala in it. Fill it properly to get a good taste. Like, share, subscribe. Gently open up the cuts and stuff them with the spice mix. Be generous, because we want each bite to be packed with flavor. Look at how beautifully these baingans are transforming already. Add oil in a pan. Now gently place the stuffed baingan in it. Let them cook on low to medium flame until they become soft. Just look at this. Now add oil in for gravy. And sliced onions. Let them cook until they become golden. This is the color we want. Add tomatoes in it and let it cook. Red chili powder and salt. Now beat with the help of blender. You can use normal blender as well. Now add these baingan in it. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Oh wow, it smells so good. Add chopped coriander in it. And enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon for more easy and delicious recipes. See you in the next one.